I'm so tired. I'm going to clear my current trash bag first, and then I'm going to change to a new one so I can start putting trash in here. And then I have some stuff to unbox and basically I've been buying a lot. Oh wait, I forgot. What hand am I gonna use to open the thing? No. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna... Nice. Take those out and then put everything in the laundry. These ones are really old, so I got some new ones. And I got some socks. And then the corgi ones. And then I got a bralette. I'm just going to hang up my clothes. Okay, so I just did my bed. So yeah, and just the extra touch of the lights back there, I don't know, I feel like it gives this luxury hotel kind of look, except the dolls that make it look like my own room. Hi baby.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Nope.
Are you ready for the pain?
Beauty is painful.
Beauty is pain.
Okie dokie. Let's get it.
Oh, it looks so weird. You're bleeding.
I'm bleeding?
Babe. That razor is so sharp.
Oof.
I have lip balm. All-purpose salve. As rose extract too.
This is how you stop bleeding for small cuts like these. It'll heal. It doesn't smell great.
It's charcoal.
That bad, huh?
Not bad. I just don't want you to bleed out. I mean, not bleed out, but Band-aid on you. It's so cute.
I'm down for the challenge. Alright, I can use a little more right on here.
It's gonna hurt. This part is gonna hurt the most.
Good.
It's so sensitive. And you have a lot of peach fuzz there too.
Good.
Oh god. Oh, mine's drying up. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it, babe. Feel it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared.
Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this off before it sticks me.
No pasa. You're so soft, babe.
So dawa.
I know.
Nice.
Huh?
I feel the freedom. Oh, it is softer though.
Right? Mine feels good.
It didn't hurt. It honestly didn't hurt.
What the hell?
And it is yellow too. This is how all ASMR videos start.
Oh god.
I got it.
What the hell? What the hell?
How am I supposed to sleep like this?
Close your eyes and sleep.
It's really hard to do this.
I'm gonna edit half of these, babe.
Hmm?
I'm gonna edit more than half of these.
Nice. Smells like a banana peel, I'm not gonna lie.
Is that bad?
No, it smells good. Banana peel smells very fresh. It smells like a really ripe banana, like green to yellow.
Very descriptive. Where's my phone?
Say hey Siri.
Hey Siri! Found her. Should I turn this off?
Not safe for work. What the fuck?
I'm turning it off.
Start going. Take my time and order, you know, $60 worth of food. I'm ordering $60 of McNuggets.
Just all McNuggets.
We're going to McDonald's. I remember as a kid, we used like, what's it called? Alright, $60. What are we doing this? Here to go.
Let's make it to go.
Okie dokie.
Haul for us, haul for us.
The Egg McMuffin. Your sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle.
They really don't have fries.
Yeah, they don't.
I'm sad.
You're such a child.